Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care.
Cabin air filter replacement, 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe. Someone has already started it. I'm going to finish it up. It has a nice hole in there. Got our door latch. This is just lock into the corner here. Slide it in and out. So let's get our new cabin air filter in there. Got airflow arrows. It's going to be flowing down. Looks pretty good. Got a door here somewhere. Just a friction fit. Again, I did not take this apart. So there's a wiring harness on that side, which is in the way a little bit. Right there. Kind of interferes. Oh, man. All right. Almost got it in, but this leg. That foot is not in the hole on the right side. I'm going to fight this wiring harness a little bit over here. You can see that foot is in the hole. And the top is kind of a friction fit, just clicks into place. So I'm going to undo it and get those both bottom feet in the proper hole. Again, you'll probably fight this wiring harness a little bit on the right side. All right. Left foot in, right foot in, and just pushed in it, and this snapped on into place, both sides. It's not going anywhere. You just release it, pull that up. Same with the other side. That's how you release it. You're just gonna again fight that stupid wiring harness over there a little bit. So that's now installed. Now we'll be installing our screws for this back piece. Right here. Screw, 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 screw. Looks like what, 5 screws? So we'll take those out, or put this back in. And we will be making sure this stays out so we can get to it. Oop. That could happen to you. Make sure we'll pull that through the hole. And these are just, oh wow, crazy little screws. These are T15 screws. Alright, one in the corner, one up here, one up here, and then along the bottom here. We'll pull this out as far as we can probably, and we'll install it in here. We got these pieces on the side here too. We'll have to force this up into the grooves on both sides. So you slide this back and pop it in the hole. Yep, there we go. Seem to work better using two hands. And then you just push this glove box in on both sides to release it. That is replacing your cabin air filter on your 2018 and perhaps other model years Chevrolet Tahoe. If you open up your glove box and it looks like this, it's probably going to work for you. Good luck to you.